yi ne da no wo launch legendary night concert Oribado UK abrochirmem na yatete was worth artist nkokro be 30 wow organizers nyame show won bebre artist 30 no mo na no fa patapa memo won refri mu nua no memo won refri patapa mpocho na one kafa patapa oh sister Sandy cry artist ehu wo me hit maker one kan kafa no na ye share entwi owo event na se enda da nti no Sandra Kapo nyine twetwe nkomo kakra wo chirema he nyasam kakra ba awuze kokete na yemra.
We all believe they were a relative of Kojo Antwi. Was that true?
No, Antwi akandin ye papa de Antwi nti meme de Kwasi Antwi na menu ane de Kofi Antwi nti but ye nyina ye fi kroba akoso not really say kroba akọ but as a ye nyina fi kwawu Kojo Antwi fi kwawu yeso ye fi kwawu
and no on one family what say the nkofo kade we relate.
Yes I won't say most of times no e na feel say to say nanado obi won say wa family minister bi no dey adope obi afeel say ni busuani but e din keke
but or inspire one music career no anyway.
Oh most definitely because me what Benin na me bobo make to can say akwankwa na me ni de ni ekanwum ana mepe na rockling ni sanum ya na enwum am title and if you want to become a good musician you have to learn how to sing other people's songs. Nti Kojo Antwi na Daddy Lumba any amachi de no mo de omo na omo inspire ma yeso and yeso ye be musicians.
Yet wonka acha so much but show your kobo UK ama yeah we've had a chance to experience you again and your new brand is looking so why if still promoting African culture eshe ekwa 360 mama nka mama cameraman no hu new brand wow so what inspired this new way?
On say during your time no now we were working with good message na enyumbe hit ya sabi impredias and say utintu asokra na say enyum na eda enkrofo pe because that time no obi timi ye enyum ontwa video unhu ni picture da but na wa hit ya bra Kojo Antwi no timi ye enyum na ode ne nsa pe na ato so but currently no ye hwe with trinwi hwe omuhwe bibia ntino ma me observe say so person we or no we work as here preko nti say if I'm coming back to music again I have to do what they are doing now.
Wow, it's still group now.
Oh Kofi or US are all yeah different thing you know but group need there but for now me solo work
and is it business about out
your friend Antwi Gali
rade papa ni
oh Gali ni Gan word Gali and Kranika say menes more Galia not just say you like open life and stylish and Gali means Antwi stylish
epe life mo hwezo ogun sadugu how address the otia wa so epe life pa
one way ya ube untem abrabona even though it's difficult na ya na wa entertain no on some musicians your problem one some musician bu a o hwenya no no wu ya o entertaining crowd for but ontimi entertaining no ho ntimi ma decide say mema mani age no matter what the problem is on say me yare for 2 years and I me turn me bibia so I started life from the scratch again but nipa nkasa no wo ha me ma say one obi wa ha oniska osan no monsa osan pema osan no money ma kan wo yes ade a ebe hawo ba ye no mo aja ye hu ye ho mobo ada bia ye te ye ba bi dindin no nyame abo ye ho ba ma obe hu ye na ye te se ne ye te na scan ni ho but nyame na ehwe ye
epede ka boy yer ba no asma na ye forget
oh
yer abayer
ebisa appendix ebisa spiritual but the migidia ne say nyankopon asame yare eno ana
na baso na beka chenkofo e workade oh we old artists meme emfa no nto bill ya current one yankofo be but show ye wo ba be ya both ye old na new na no but what do you make of nkofo e workade we old artists we twem
on say omo obrofo kasa bia omo kan omo say relevant musician we do onye
relevant
but the fact is nipa bia ani ho a onye relevant the kind of music na wo bo no and ebe mo aye irrelevant we asem ya me kan e medin me nuanom a me no mu sis no omo bebre feel say current songs na new musicians na ya no enye nyom papa nti omo te aho we anyom rhythm bia omo bo we yes a ube free system no nti matena ase adwen ekwan omo fa so to nyom rhythm so omo bo na me di bi banti no